This is Bronze Lock Picker 60. Today I'm going to attempt to pick this lock. Nothing special about the lock itself. It's a Shield Security 40mm made in China, but it's special in one way. This lock was used to secure my mother's belongings in her room in a little locker. Lost the key. We don't need a key. So let's see if we can get into it. I tried picking it once. It was a bear. Excuse me while I get the tensioner in. Okay. I hope everyone's doing fine. Excuse the lighting. I'm using a camera I had for a while. I want it, and tried using it a few times. I couldn't get used to it. It's sitting around collecting dust. Might as well get back into it and see if I can learn how to use it. Okay, let's go. We got heavy tension. There you go. Hold on. There you go. It's open for you, Mom. May you rest in peace. Everyone else, thank you for watching. I know it wasn't an exciting video, but it meant a lot to me. So I hope you enjoyed it. Everyone, take care. Be safe. As always, stay calm and pick on. Thanks a lot, everyone. Bye-bye.